In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to use a spreadsheet to calculate student averages. So let's say we have 5 students and they've written 4 tests. These are their marks. So normally you would go 95 plus 32 plus 85 and so on, divided by the number of students, and that would give you the average. When you have a computer, it's much easier than that. All you have to do is click on the cell where you want your average to show up. Click here where the fx is for function, and you have a whole bunch of functions showing up. The one we want is average. They're all by alphabetical order, so I click on average, click next. Now the computer is asking me for a range. A range is a series of cells in a row, and all I have to do is highlight this. And see, now I have a range from D6 until that goes up to D10, and that's my range. Now I click OK, and that's it. I have my average. Now again, click on the cell where I want my average, function, select average for function, click next, highlight my range, and click OK. And that's my average right there. Once I have it in a cell, I can also copy it using Control-C and then paste it on the next one. You see here I have F6 to F10, and when I paste it in the next column, the computer knows that I'm in the next column, and it changes these the range letters and numbers, and it gives me the accurate average for this cell. Now if I want to go and just change, let's say I made a mistake and I want to change 95 from 85, I just change my number here, and if you look at a number below, it also adjusts the averages for me. Now I'm going to make my results bigger, and this is the same formatting as all the other programs, so I'm going to go 14 and make them bold so I know that that's my result. Now I can do the same over here. Highlight the cell, go to function, select average, click next, select my range. In this case it goes from D6 to G6, click OK, and there's my average. Now if I want to be even faster, I can copy this one, highlight my range over here and paste it, and the computer will automatically adjust for each row and make my results in bold. And voila, now I can tell which student has the highest average, which test was the toughest or the easiest, and so on. And just a small tip to finish: if you want to round up your numbers, you don't want 2 decimals, let's say you only want 1 decimal, you highlight the numbers you want to format and just go up here and click on delete decimal. So now that's 1, and if I don't want any decimals, I click twice, and there you go. I'll do the same thing here. Et voila, now you go ahead and try it.